Hello you guys! So today I have a very special video because I'll be going to a very amazing event and I wanted to show you guys how I do my waves. These are very glamorous waves. I actually like to do these a lot and a lot of people ask me, and like when I have an event and it's very special and I want to do something different, I usually go for this hairstyle. So keep watching so you can see how I did it. So if you guys like this makeup, keep watching next week because I'll show you a tutorial of how I did this makeup, and I'll see you in my next video.